Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and there is nothing that I find more relaxing than enjoying a nice, beautiful, sunny day in my JoyView hammock. This hammock has been fantastic for our back patio. We already had the stand but needed to find a replacement, and I love that you can just buy the hammock. You don't have to buy a full set to be able to set this up. If you don't have a stand, it does come with 2 ropes so that you can tie it up between 2 trees. But you need 2 trees, which we don't have, so we used our stand. I love this nice neutral linen color, and this material is so soft and cozy, but very durable. I love having a nice gentle swing on here. So do my kids. My son even likes to bring a blanket out and just shut out everything else. He knows what's up. It does also have a carrying case for it, which makes for really easy storage in the winter when it's not set up. We just love having this in our backyard, and I'm sure that you will too. And that's my point of view.